ॐ विद्राणे रुद्रवृन्दे सवितरतरले वज्रने ध्वस्तवज्रे जाता शङ्का शशाङ्के विरमतिमतित्यक्तवैरे कुबेरे वैकुण्ठे कुण्ठिताश्रे महिषमतिरसं पौर्रोपग्ननिघ्नं निर्विघ्नं निघ्नतीवः समयतु दुरितं भूरिभावा भवानी समयतु दुरितं भूरिभावा भवानी. My dear friends, in our previous talk we discussed almost all the problems, mega problems, all the mega diseases, how they are cured by Navaratri fastotherapy. And today I would like to discuss some mental diseases, because our health is not only the physical health. We have physical health, we have our mental health, and also spiritual health. So in the scriptures, all trials and tribulations are covered, are mentioned, and they are diagnosed and they are cured also. This is also the formulation what Navaratri fastotherapy is also the formulation to eradicate or to ruin all the physical, mental and spiritual problem. I discussed that heart problem, demon Mahishasur, and diabetes is demon Madhu, Kaitav is hypertension, and likewise Raktabij is blood cancer. So these are mega problems, and these are not viral disease, these are the disease made by self, by each and every person. And I discussed the ritual also, copper charged water, how that is therapy in itself, how that water is too much, not too much, so much hygienic and potentized water, just like a medicine. And mental diseases are also cured because of fastotherapy. When 9 days autophagy works and deletes all the root causes of the each and every disease, so mental disease are also recovered by the fastotherapy. It is international ruling for each and every servant, government servant, or in the government services. The people get retired in 60-year-old. It is considered that 60-year-old person is almost old and he is not able to do anything, so he must be retired. It's not good. Dotage is a disease because some particular and some special protein covers the part of our brain, and that compel to brain dysfunction. And it is because of dysfunction dotage takes place, and later when this dotage disease develops, then it becomes amnesia. And after amnesia, some neural problem also takes place because of overload or overpressure of particular protein that hinders the function of brain. So Parkinson also takes place, and later that develops as an Alzheimer, where 100% dysfunctioning takes place of the brain, and the person become the victim of Alzheimer. If anybody keeps fast 9 days completely in a lemon water, like Modi ji and like me, also maybe like me or Modi ji, there are so many persons who keep fast on lemon water. So they also are very healthy, just like most healthiest politician of the world, Modi ji. So maybe likewise many persons are most healthiest in themselves, but the person who likes not to do fast against the fastotherapy, so they suffer also. So the purpose of the sages is not to give the suffering the people, because this world is the suffering, because in Gita it is said this world is a dukkhalaya. Dukkhalaya means house of pain, not pleasure. And the person who searches pleasure here in the house of pain, so if one if one piece of pleasure he attains, so along with that pleasure there are 100 pains also. So pains are more and pleasure is less, because it is not pleasure alay, it is pain alay. In Sanskrit that is called dukkha alay. So even then, this is the mercy of sages, this is the compassion and the love of sages, that how compassionately they formulated this, the package of Ayurveda, nature cure, herbal therapy, hydrotherapy, gasotherapy, all the best therapies included in one package, and that is known as a Navratri fastotherapy. So, how the mental diseases are cured here? Amnesia, that is, likewise many other diseases also. So physical diseases and mental diseases, all the diseases are cured here. But one thing is spiritual diseases. What is spiritual disease? Spiritual disease is two types of spiritual disease. One, not to realize yourself. So this package at least teaches you how to be a ascetic person. Within 9 days, if you can be an ascetic person and you can have a penance or a pedantic accustoming in your life because of this 9-day fastotherapy is routine. So that means you can accelerate also. You can make more. All the time you can do this. All the time you can do this. Not only 9 days. Again 9, again 9, again 9. Some sadhu mahatmas do whole of life. They keep fast as a Navratri. Not just Navratri. So depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, OCD, obsessive pulse, OPD, obsessive pulse disorder, 300 varieties of mental diseases are diagnosed yet by the doctors, experts and mental specialists. But what is the root cause? Maybe root cause is not same, but 75% root cause depends on our food addiction and covering most part of the brain by a particular protein that disturbs the flow of vital force, and our vital force becomes dull, and that is actually Kali, and that requires to be whitened, and that whiten are just whiten means the purified state of vital force, disturb less vital force, no any disturbance in the flow of life current or the vital force in the body, and complete and 100% run up all over the body of vital force, and which and when it is purified 100%, that it connects to cosmic energy also, so that charges our whole body, charges itself by the cosmic energy, by the solar energy, by all other unrecognized energies all over the universe. So, in the path of realization, what are the disturbances? These disturbances are also cleared, are finished by the 9 days fastotherapy, Navratri fastotherapy. Likewise, there is Durga Saptati, a very nice prescription of the sages. 9 days continuously you have to recite Durga Saptasati. Durga Saptasati is a very powerful, a prescription. This is a book eulogizing Goddess Kali. Actually, each and every word or each and every verse of the Durga Saptasati are mantra. They are very powerful mantra. They require not chanting or not activating like any other mantras. They are already perfect mantra. You just once you repeat and you find the result. So spiritotherapy means regarding realization and regarding spirits, ghosts and ghouls. If they attack you or if they attack anyone, by reciting the Durga Saptati, you can control or you can remove ghosts and ghouls. So spiritotherapy, it is no bad spirit and for the good spirit. And spiritualization means the practice or retreats for realization of the ultimate reality. That's also the purpose. And all the mantras or Durga Saptati are very powerful. They remove for 6 months, 9 days if you recite regularly. 6 months you will be protected by any ghost and ghoul or any tantra and mantra or any black magic or any mesmerism or any magic that can be negative for you or that can make you a negative person. So this is a total package, and in this package physical, mental and spiritual health are covered. So this is the great boon of sages, this is the great blessing of sages. So we must honor the sages, we must love the love of sages, we must be passionate to attain the compassion of the sages. This is the message of this my talk, and thank you very much. I will see you again in any other, but please subscribe it first. Thank you.